Okay guys, we got this Kia Sorento right here, and they said it doesn't stay running. I guess you can start it and then it dies. Let's see what happens here. It runs really bad. Give it gas and then see it just died. 13 Kia Sorento. See, now I don't want to even start. So let's scan this for codes, see what codes we got. Okay, there we go. Correlation code. Look at that. Correlation codes. Fuel rail percent. So, I'm wondering if this correlation code is our problem. Got 103,000 miles on it. May need a motor. Let's see. Are they from Georgia? Let's see. Put our odometer in here, and then we'll start looking at some data PIDs. Let's see. 103054. Let's see if we got flowers everywhere in here. Okay, close. Let's go back. Let's go look at our see what we can see in here. So we want fuel pressure. There you go, fuel pressure, set point. That looks good. I didn't see map. Intake manifold pressure. Ambient air, that looks good. Intake air looks good. No mass airflow sensor. Just see what happens with just these two right here. So our pressures are matching. I'm holding the RPM up right now. I want to see what happens to our... I didn't want to back out. Wanted to see what happens to our like our fuel trims. Set point. Set. Current position. Current position of exhaust. Look at our exhaust. Look at our intake. Guys, I think our timing's off. Is it exhaust? Exhaust? Yeah. Look at that. Our exhaust cam looks like it's off. Yeah, look at that. Our exhaust is moving around. Look at where our exhaust is now. Our exhaust wasn't right. Our phaser. Remember how it was like negative 80? See, now it's running a lot better. It's still not where it needs to be. We got a problem with our exhaust. Okay guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to unplug our exhaust actuator right here. The back here. Let's see if this makes a difference. And there we go. Shut this off. We'll see if it still acts up. Maybe it only acts up cold. But it was definitely off. Let's see. Let's see. Let's clear any codes we have. And our correlation is with our exhaust. Yeah, now I don't want to start. Let's get a live data. I wonder if it learned that value from me holding the RPM up. Look at the value again. See that? It's off. Let's record this. Look at that. It's off, guys. So with it unplugged and it's not moving, see how it's not moving? Before, I think the car probably actuated the camshaft to move. Because now we're not getting a change. And now it's running like crap. So let's try starting it up again. Yeah, see? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug that back in, and then we can probably, if we plug this back in, we can probably get it to run again, and then it'll probably just actuate the camshaft it probably actuated it to get it to go to a good spot just for driving. Let's see, let's plug this back in. We might have to clear the code. Let's go back. Let's go to control codes. There we go. Let's go to live data. You know what else I wanted to see? I wanted to see if it's commanding it to move. If it shows us. Here we go. Okay, there we go. We'll see the command now. Or our phaser. Or our phaser's sticking. Okay, they probably got two possibilities here though too. The other possibility could be that the phaser is the actuator's stuck open. We could have an actuator stuck open. We could try removing the actuator, see if it makes a difference. Yeah, because it's dying again. Okay guys, I got the actuator out. Look at this thing. It's like all covered in metal or something. So that don't look like carbon. And I bet you the solenoid's stuck. So I'm going to show them what I found. It's either this or timing's off, because it might be jumped. Okay guys, got a new solenoid for this. There we go. So I can get this bolted down and then we'll see if this makes any difference. Okay guys, let's see if this starts up. Oh, look at that. It started right up. I didn't think it was going to start up. I was connected to another car earlier. Let's try this again. Look at that. Starts right up. And I think it was used, because like look at the oil in here. It was like dark, like somebody put this in another car to see if it fixed their problem, and it didn't. They got it from AutoZone, I guess. I don't know. I don't use AutoZone camshaft actuators. Look at that. USA. Okay. There we go, scan it. No codes in the engine. Look at that. engine. So we got live data. Live data. And so I guess this is fixed, but I also found out from them apparently this guy didn't change his oil in like 35,000 miles or something like that. So that could be where all that metal came from. Let's look at our camshaft codes. Or, I mean, not codes, but our PIDs. There we go. Look at that, they're all matching. Look at that. And we put it in gear, it's phasing. So there we go, it phased. You guys can see that. There we go. Let that come back. Boom. Let me do it again. There we go. It's working. So there you go, guys. That other one must have been stuck open. Trouble codes. There you go. Hope you guys like this. Look at this, watch. Shut it off. Oh, we're in gear. Let's see, start back up. Look at that. Try again. There we go. See you guys later.